We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Good afternoon. It is Sunday afternoon. Massi has got the whole week off because the restaurant has closed for a bit of a pause. So we have decided that we are going to go to an really strange shaped place, and we'll tell you more about that as soon as we get closer to the place. Oh dear, I think my animals are killing each other. Hey, what's going on? And here's Massi, and we are setting off. We've had a little afternoon kip, and we're going to go catch the sun set in this place. Just thought I'd let you know what you can get in a highway shop, Auto Grill. We get all these nice chocolates, especially from Modica. So you get the chili chocolate, you get orange chocolate. What's this one? I can't see. Just think normal chocolate. We've got pistachio, cream of pistachio, nice liqueur, limoncello of course, and everything else. Some pasta, some nice little gift things with pasta that you could buy. Yeah, lovely. We're going to grab 2 coffees and we are on our way to this place that we're going to be showing you soon. Okay, so we had our little energy boost of espresso.
Yeah, drugs.
Yeah. We had our espresso, and now we're going to get in the car and we're going to go to this place, which is a secret. We'll let you know.
Yeah, you'll see. It's very pretty.
This is the true Sicily. Look at this.
Moo!
Right, we are making our way all the way up there, somewhere up there. Look at this place. Must be an old masseria that's been abandoned. This place is incredible. We're like in the middle of nowhere and I love it. So we're making our way up towards this little Borgo village.
All those capers.
Wow, all of those are capers.
Beautiful capers.
We need to pick some on our way home.
It's a bit dark by then.
Let's go up. Temperature has dropped so much.
Yeah, we're going up and up. It's going higher.
Yeah, I'm going to put my jacket on. It's quite chilly now.
But very interesting place, because as we go up,
yeah,
you see formations of rocks. And they've built like houses and farmhouses on them.
It's amazing, eh?
It's like just spontaneous building. It's crazy.
It's so big and open. I love that. Of the feeling of just being out in the open. Normally when you're in the city or a town, you know, you're built up, everything's around you. Beautiful.
Just like a formation of rocks, and then they build a house on
And then it's probably got good foundation like that.
Yeah, because it's a rock. Yeah.
And then on this side you've got Etna overlooking, and Padernò is this town underneath. Crazy. And then we're going to go that way.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are in Centuripe.
Centuripe, and in English, Centuripe.
Yeah, right, okay. Anyway, so we're up high. What attracted...
700 meters above sea level.
Yeah, what attracted us to this place was we saw that if you film it with a drone and you look above it
From a certain height.
from a certain height, it's the shape of two things. It could either be
Starfish.
a starfish or a human body. So we are waiting for the sun to go down, and then Massey's going to fly his drone. In the meantime, we've come up to see the villa and the castle, the remains of this castle, which is Corradino. Massey's getting his little drone ready to fly above this castle. I must say, it's so nice to be able to wear a little jacket after months and months of such heat. Hey, Mas, how nice is it?
Crazy.
It's lovely, and the view here is spectacular. Wow, look at this. Got Mount Etna over here, and the village, Il Borgo, they call it the Borgo, is back there. So we're gonna go around and have a little look around. This is the castle of Corradino. It is a former imperial mausoleum and was used as a base for a medieval tower. Beautiful. So there behind you can see Etna. It's preserved pretty well, I would say.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? The view is incredible, guys. Have a look at this. Wow, stunning. Sarah. We realized that this Villa Corradino had recently been opened to the public, and they have put so much care and love into planting all the lovely flowers around the castle. We had parked just underneath this villa, and there was a long, beautiful tree-lined path that you can take all the way up into the little village of Centuripe.
Okay, so talkative as we are.
As you are, he stops everybody and talks to
a gentleman, obviously a local from here, and I asked him, like I ask everyone, what is it about this town, and where is the better place to see it? Because I'm gonna fly my drone up and get it up to see from the top.
Yeah.
He's explained there's 5 arcs. These 5 arcs are made up in it's like
different areas.
It's an asymmetrical way they made this town. It's got a very antique history. It's even before the Romans, so
yeah.
The sequel they call it.
And he said the Romans freed it, actually.
The Romans actually freed the town from the Greeks, apparently.
No, I think they just,
like
I don't know, it's a lot of
We'll
history.
read about it a bit more, and we'll get more info.
In the meantime, we're just enjoying this view.
Beautiful.
And we're
Absolutely
enjoying
beautiful.
the fact that we have to put our little jackets on.
Yeah, it's a bit chilly.
Because back down in Syracuse, everyone's dying of
Hot
heat.
and humidity still, yeah.
What do you think of this view?
Wow. It's breathtaking. It really is breathtaking.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Very, very pretty. And the town's just made crazy.
Perched on a hilltop, as they usually are. Look at that. Beautiful.
So where are you going?
We're going to go see if we can find this church. Apparently it was only 10 minutes away.
Half an hour later, still walking.
Wow.
There's the old Etna. Hello, Etna. Very amazing.
Beautiful mosaic.
Yeah.
Lovely. Do you reckon that could probably have been like a Roman... It's like a form of an aqueduct.
Well, not just the way the
Even
houses
here,
are
look,
built.
they're all built on maybe this old aqueduct. Could it be?
Not sure.
Okay, we're going up a series of steps here. place is like a warren.
Are you going to be walking or?
Coming. We've reached it. It was a bit of a walk, but it was really worth it. Look at this. This is called Chiesa Madre Immacolata Concezione. The 17th century Cathedral of the Immacolata Concezione has magnificent Baroque stuccos and is the life of this village.
Wow.
Bella veduta.
A little talk.
What a friendly place. Everyone was just lovely.
Okay, it's also because we talk a lot, so we ask people different things. So stopping people around and just everyone you speak to, I don't think one person's like not answered us.
No, even the kids were coming up to us and like sitting with us.
Yeah, young kids.
It's just such a lovely atmosphere. Everyone's so friendly. Do come. You guys need to come.
This is a place you definitely need to visit.
We haven't
absolutely.
seen half of the things that we have to see.
Can I just stop for a second? Hang on.
Look at
Just
this.
turn around.
Wow, but you've
Look
got
at
to
that.
show.
The sun's setting, so we've got a beautiful sunset behind us.
Stunning.
That's
And
on
then-
that side, and if I turn
Look at
around
this.
this way, look who we got behind us. Mount
It
Etna.
It's so pretty.
Anyway, yeah, as we were saying, very nice place to come and visit.
Yeah,
It's a definite yes.
definite yes from us.
And
We were not expecting it to be like so nice and so easy to get to. It only took us an hour.
yeah, from where we are, it took some time. Buonasera. Buonasera. See what I mean? Just everyone
lovely.
says hello and hi.
So nice. The village of Centuripe lies at an elevation of 2,402 feet. It is northwest of Catania. They also call it the balcony of Sicily because from every angle the views are breathtaking. On one side you have the magnificent view of Mount Etna, and all around are hills and open plains. And if you see it from above, it's shaped like a star, or some people may say the form of a human. What to visit? Definitely the churches, the castle, the villa, the museum, historical centre with all the lovely people who are so friendly, the archaeological park, which boasts Roman baths, theatre and a forum. But what we love the most is just to wander through the little village, through the little cobble streets, through the little alleyways, up the steps, and just speaking to the local people. That for us is totally worth the visit. I would recommend this place to everyone. Well, after our trip back from Centuripe, we could see that in the background, hovering over this area of Siracusa, really, really bad thunderstorms and lightning. And we were like, wow, we're going back to bad weather. And in fact, it rained and poured, and there was a huge thunderstorm for about a day, about 2 days, wasn't it, Mas?
Good morning. Yes, we've had some really heavy rain.
Yeah.
It's really damped the ground really well, which is well needed because it hasn't rained for a long time.
And the trees, those little olive trees needed, the banana trees, they all needed a bit of a...
Those olive trees included, everything just needed the water because it's quite a lot.
In fact, everything just perked up afterwards. It's lovely to see that.
Everything's just green. It's like a dark green outside everywhere. So it's beautiful. Really nice.
But we have had a little issue, not a bad one, but I noticed while I was sitting on the couch, that up above in the ceiling there was a wet mark.
Yes, some infiltration of water. This is a flat ceiling, so parts of it has sort of got stagnant water, which is like water that's kept still in little corners.
Yeah.
And it's kind of seeped through, so I'm going to have to go up and just double check
Have a little look.
The rubberizing, because I've rubberized it. I have to check certain points, 1 or 2 points of it.
It's also near the pipe, that
the guttering,
guttering, and I think
the
maybe
gutter.
might be you might have to like sort of clear the guttering,
be
maybe some leaves, yeah, something. But I mean, this morning we've looked and it's dry again, so I don't know. But you're gonna go up and check. I love going up, but I'm scared.
I love going up. I don't remember if you've ever been
No,
up.
I'll rephrase that. I like it when I'm up there and I like the view, but I hate.
You've been up there once. Or
I'll
twice.
show you how he gets up. It's not easy. It's not like we have a little ladder or something. It's just like you're climbing up the blimmin' wall. You
don't like going up?
No, I don't like going up.
Okay.
But Massey will take you up and show you the view. So as you can see, some of the paint has started to peel off, which is really annoying. We had a wet mark there, which has now disappeared, but obviously something's going on, also in the corner. And, I mean, it's right above where we sit, and that's not good. So this is how he gets up to the top. This is only the first part. And then he's got to walk across and go up to the top part, which I don't fancy doing. Okay, so when Massey climbed up to the top, he realized that only the corners had been rubber sealed, and that was probably why we had a little damp mark on the ceiling. So that's his next job. He needs to rubber seal the whole of the ceiling before the wet season arrives. Okay, so Massey brought home some lovely mussels. So what I've done is I've just put a bit of garlic, a little bit of chili in with a bit of oil, thrown them in, and then I'm just going to let them slowly open up with their own steam. Okay, I've taken a lot of them out of their shells, at least half. Let the water reduce, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in one of my fresh bottles of sauce. I'm just going to add that all in like that, and I'm going to let that cook for a bit. There we go. I'm going to let that simmer nicely, and that'll be the sauce to our pasta. Okay, so while that's all cooking, I've got the pot on for the pasta. I just want to show you here, Massey went to work for his friend this morning and he got paid in honey, which is lovely. I love the bartering side of things here in Sicily. So he just did half a morning and he got some honey, which we're going to fill our jars up, and that will last us for a good, I don't know, probably 6 months. And there you go, quick lunch for me and Massey, and then we're off to, well, I'm off to work. Massey stays at home today. Morning. Hello. Massey made a little nest for them, which I think is so sweet. This one hanging up above. The little babies are flying already. There they are, down at the bottom. Can't believe how big they are already in a couple of weeks. And then we've got this lovely orange coloured one, little canary, who's so talkative. And there's the little nest that Massey made them. They love it, actually. The little white one's still looking a bit rough. So a shame. Hello. Okay, we're gonna end the video here because we're off to the shops to grab some food, some lunch. So yes.
Thank you very much to everyone for watching our videos and for all the great comments you guys leave.
Absolutely.
Much appreciated. Hello there. Much appreciated, and we hope you've enjoyed Centuripe, the visit that we had to take to
Centuripe.
Centuripe.
We got it so wrong before we got it right. Now we've forgotten again.
Yeah, no, it's obviously it's got that Roman click to it, so you've
Yeah.
got to know how to pronounce it. Yeah, we had fun. Hope you had fun with us.
Absolutely, we had a beautiful time there. We're going to leave you some drone footage that Masi took up on the roof, just to show you where we live and what's surrounding us, and we're so lucky.
Yeah, we had a request from someone asking us to show a little bit on our land, so then it will be included in the drone footage after.
Ok, ciao, alla prossima!
Bye bye.